Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to draft a basic sleeve pattern, long and short. I made this very easy and as detailed as possible. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, please stay tuned as we continue in the tutorial. So moving forward, I went ahead to draw a starting line. As we can see, so I drew that starting line from the top of the fabric. Then moving forward, from that starting line, we can call it the shoulder point. Then I went down by 5 inches. I went down by 5 inches to the bicep. Then after going down by 5 inches to the bicep, I'm going down by 12 inches to the elbow. So from bicep to the elbow measurement. So after doing that, I'm going down by 22.5 inches to the wrist for the full length of this long sleeve. For the full length of the long sleeve. So moving forward now, I'm going to mark the measurements on the bicep, the elbow, and the wrist. So now I'm just drawing straight lines across the points we made. And on the wrist, I went down by an extra 3/4 of an inch for the allowance at the bottom of the wrist. So moving forward now, I'm going to go ahead and mark the measurements. So on the bicep line, my bicep measurement is 12 inches divided by 6 inches plus 1.5 inches. I went ahead to mark that. On the elbow, my elbow measurement is 10 inches divided by 5 inches plus 1.5. I marked that. And then the wrist is 7 inches divided by 3.5 plus 1.5 inches, which is 5 inches, and I marked that down. Next, I'm going ahead to connect all the points together, and after connecting all the points together, this is what I have. So next, from that point on the bicep, I'm going to connect it to that shoulder point as seen. Just follow me what I'm doing. It's a very easy tutorial. So next, I'm going to mark that measurement, and we have 9 inches. So half of 9 inches is 4.5. So I went ahead to mark that 4.5 mark. So next, now I'm going to go ahead to curve that point using my marker. So I'll curve it to that point. Then after curving it to the point, I'll take it to the bicep point. If you have a curved rule, you can go ahead and use your curved rule. I don't have a curved rule, so I just went ahead to use my free hand, and it came out. Although using a curved rule will come out more better, but you can also use your free hand, which is not bad. So after drawing the curve, this is what I have. So I made this tutorial as easy and detailed as possible. It is very easy, very detailed. It's something you can do very easily. Even when you are drafting it on a fabric, it is easy and so simple. You take the measurements from the bicep point to that shoulder point. You mark the half measurement. After marking the half measurement, you take the measurement, mark the half. After marking the half measurement, then you draw a curve. Then after drawing a curve, this is what you have. And after doing that, you have your sleeve measurements together. So next, I'm just going ahead to label the bicep, elbow, wrist, and the allowance. So it's as simple as this. So this is what I have, guys. So we can see how easy it is to draft a basic sleeve pattern. Like I said at the beginning, I'm making this tutorial as easy as possible. Next, I'm going ahead to cut it out, and after cutting it out, we are going to see what we have. So you have your perfect sleeve pattern together. So even if you don't want to draw it on a pattern paper, you want to draw it on your fabric, you can use this measurement and it's going to be perfect. So if you're watching up to this point and you've not liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button. And I'll be seeing you in subsequent videos. So after cutting, this is what I have. So I went ahead to check my round armhole measurement, and I have it at 9 inches. My round armhole measurement is 8.5 inches. So plus extra allowances which we give, that is why we have that 9 inches. So now for the short sleeve, I'm going ahead to mark the starting line. So just follow carefully. So if you didn't really get it in the drawing of the long sleeve, you should get it in this part. So going down now, I'm going down by 5 inches to our bicep line. Then the full length of the sleeve, which is 8 inches, I'm going to come down by 8 inches and mark. So after marking that 8 inches, I'm also going to come down by 0.75 inches for our. So after doing that, I'm just going ahead to draw lines across those points I already marked. So now on the bicep line, I'm going ahead to mark my bicep measurement, which is 12 inches divided by 2, 6 inches plus 1.5 inches for allowance. Then for the full length of the short sleeve, I marked 5 inches plus 1.5 inches allowance, and I added an extra quarter of an inch. So on the bicep line to the shoulder point, I marked a straight line. Then I got 9 inches, and then I went out by half of an inch. After doing that, I'm going ahead to create the curve. And after creating the curve, that is what we have. Like I said, making use of a curved rule is better, but if you do not have one, you can use your free hand and it's also going to come out well. Next, I go ahead to mark the points down, and this is what we have. So measuring, I have, the camera didn't capture that. I have my 8.5 inches plus the extra inches for the allowance. So next, I go ahead to cut it out, and this is what I have. So it's as simple as this. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, share to whoever you feel may also be interested in watching this, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye.